Strata Mat is Laticrete's version of Schluter Ditra. There's a couple things different with it. For one, it has these little air vents in it that allow the air to come up and breathe. It also is clear, so you can see your coverage under it, which I'm going to show you here in a second. So let me get this mud spread. You can see how nice this mortar is to spread. It can be a little bit messier, but it just goes really smooth. It's creamy. To me, it feels like a mix between a thin set and like a glue, maybe like a mastic. So the Strata Mat, it's an uncoupling membrane, which if there's any stresses below in the plywood, that means it's not going to transfer up through the tile. So it's like a separator between what's underneath it and the tile system. Okay. Let's get that Strata Mat. Jason, can you hand me the roll of Strata Mat right there? Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the coolest thing. When you put the Strata Mat down, you're going to see all of my trowel marks on my thin set. So you can see all the, can you see those in the camera, Zach?
Yep.
So you can see the trowel marks. And watch what happens when I use my wood float to go over it. It's going to take those away. So that way you know you have 100% coverage without having to pull up the mat. And the little air vents that are in the Strata Mat, these little air vents, make it super easy to get it 100% coverage because there's not the air bubbles that we deal with the Ditra. Alright, so yeah, I don't need to check coverage because I can see there's no trowel lines left under the thin set. It's solid white. And yeah, another really good day. We got the vanity in. We got the shower pan floated. All the membrane down on the pan. So tomorrow we can do our roll-on waterproofing going up on the rest of our mortar bed. We'll probably work on the countertop. We can set the floor. So this is the end of day 2, and if you want to see the other parts of this video series, check out the videos coming up right here, and we're going to have some more fun here. So day 2 is a wrap. We'll see you on day 3, and I love you guys. I love being your tile coach, and we'll see you on the next video.